Perplexity AI Pro and ChatGPT Plus are premium AI subscriptions designed for professionals and power users, offering access to advanced language models and enhanced features for research, productivity, and creative tasks. Perplexity AI Pro is the premium tier of the Perplexity AI engine, offering advanced LLM access, unlimited file photo analysis and citation, rich multi-step reasoning for professionals and researchers. As a user, I find it invaluable for in-depth research, with priority access to models like GPT-40 and Core 3.5, multimodal analysis, and structured reporting tools. Some drawbacks include occasional slow responses and customer service issues, but its professional capabilities outweigh these concerns. Pricing of Perplexity AI Pro is 20-month or 200-year for individuals, with unlimited Pro searches and access to advanced AI models. Students can opt for the Education Pro plan at $4.99 with verification. ChatGPT Plus is a premium AI subscription providing faster responses, advanced models, and higher usage limits for professionals and creators. As a user, I find it boosts productivity with access to GPT-5, advanced reasoning, image generation, and custom GPT creation. Occasional slow responses and evolving features exist, but the benefits for daily AI tasks are substantial. Pricing of ChatGPT Plus is 25 months in the US or 5,700 Pakistani rupees, months in Pakistan, unlocking advanced AI capabilities, expanded usage limits, and premium tools compared to free and go tiers. Both subscriptions provide faster responses, higher usage limits, and multimodal capabilities, making them ideal for users seeking more powerful AI tools beyond the free tiers. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.